Welcome to our latest Build the Change Challenge. Planet Play brought to you by The Day in partnership with the Lego Group. 60% of 4 to 11-year-olds in the UK never play on their own street. But did you know that all kids have a super special right to play outside? There is a law that says every child should get to play because it's a super important part of growing up and you learn through play. That's why we're speaking with Playing Out, a charity that helps communities close off their roads to create play streets.
Hi, I'm Ingrid and we're a parent and resident-led movement helping to reclaim safe space for children to play on their doorstep.
Space on our doorstep was very underused and just dominated by cars, and so we started just thinking, how could that be different? It was something very, very simple, and it was just stopping the fast moving traffic coming through our street.
If they have safe space to play, they will be active, they will socialise, they will be happier, they will be healthier, and that's really what we're trying to change.